Hello, good people. Welcome back. Welcome back. Yeah, does she look different? Yeah, she's different. We had to ditch the Samsung refrigerator. She acted so ugly. Yeah, the ice maker stopped. We priced the part, almost $300 for that part. And then we realized, why is she leaking? Water is at the very bottom of the refrigerator, and yeah, on the outside as well. So we had to do and purchase a new refrigerator. So we have a new Hisense refrigerator. Yeah. So when one fell, they all fell. Yeah, the microwave, she started going in and out, in and out. So yeah, we wind up replacing her too, and that too is a Hisense microwave. So yeah, come along with me as I finish cleaning her out and unpacking her. So let's get it. Let's go. Running. Don't you know I'm there for your love? Don't get too far ahead. See you up on a ledge. Pretend it's all good. He won't be honest. Do well on test. Pretend it's all good. Is it supposed to be a secret? Is it supposed to be something I should keep with? Keep with, no. Good. I lose all control. I can't let go. Wanna be alone. And in my mind, she's had her time. Send her off with goodbye. You got me running. 'Cause I'll die for your love. You got me running. Don't you know I'll die for your love? We just keep on walking, but never really getting nowhere. It's like we keep on talking, but never really saying nothing. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind, and I've really tried. You won't let me in like we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold, and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're blinded by fear. We can't see clearly. Somehow this thing between you and me, standing in the way of our sanity. Yeah. On different sides, on different times, stuck in a ways we ain't changing. Can't read your mind, and I've really tried. You won't let me in like we're strangers. Say opposites, supposed to attract, but we both can tell it feels often. Should let it go, but somehow we fold, and it happens way too often. We're so different, we're so different. How could we ever agree, make it fit in? It's just like we're so different, we're so different. I don't quite understand you, you don't get me. It's just like we're act just like we're fine, but this just ain't it. But every time we try, we end up back here. No, we don't stand our ground, come back 'cause we're scared. On different sides, on different times.
You know, the thing about life is everything goes for some people and nothing goes for other people. So man, I live free. Nothing there. Nah, go on. Yeah. Choo. Money walk back. Shemi dak back. Some say I go back for ladder. Body there for backyard. Money walk back. Shemi dak back. Some say I go back for ladder. Body there for backyard. Setting your mood over. Yeah. What's in my bed to your mood over? See me rolling on the moon over. Setting your mood over. 1 kilometer. Some say around kilometer. I do follow señorita. Then say nothing a sweeter. I'm a little dog. Them see the writing and dodge. Say anything goes, even Maria top. Setting your mood over. What's in my bed to your mood over? See me rolling on the moon over. Setting your mood over.
Okay, so I got everything unpacked that was in the refrigerator. We wound up putting that in coolers. What was in the freezer, we wound up putting it all in the deep freezer. I said I'm not unpacking that deep freezer this here day. So we left all of that stuff in there. But I'll go through it before I go grocery shopping to make sure I have what I need. I want to thank each and every one of you for joining me in today's video. It has been my pleasure spending some of this wonderful time with you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And while you're there subscribing, make sure you hit that notification bell so that you always know when your girl's dropping something new. So again, until next time.
Man, you gotta do what you gotta do to survive, you know.